the Sealey SR2000 Professional Stud Welding Kit. The Sealey SR2000 is designed for fast and efficient body repairs. It removes dents quickly without leaving holes, or the need to remove interior trim. It's suitable for use on steel or aluminium, using welding studs, washers and tabs. And no burn-through makes the removal of studs and washers simple. The SR2000's patented quick puller attachment allows removal of smaller dents without the need for studs or washers. The kit's supplied in a heavy-duty carry case. There's also a range of optional accessories available too. The Sealey SR2000P stud welding puller is suitable for use with tabs and washers to pull out larger dents. And the Sealey SR2000TS tab shooter holds multiple tabs and semi-automatically loads them to speed up tab welding. The Sealey SR2000 Professional Stud Welding Kit, another excellent addition to the extensive Sealey range.